6 counterplace leadership team. Number 4, Rasmus Anderson.
Who has the worst chirps? And can you give us... Is there an example that comes with that?
There was one last year. Baller is really bad too, actually. Really bad, but Baller will be like, nice play. Come on, like, what are we doing here?
You got anything, buddy?
What's the real Flames
I think that was Gold Flames Golf.